Kanti ke Singumqemane Isilo Misizulu kaZwelithini lokhu kuqinisekiswe umfanekiso wevideo esiwuthunyelelwe okhulumela Ndlulamithi umntwana Afrika. Umntwana Afrika uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi Ndlulamithi ayidunguzeli ngokuthi asinike ucingo sazikhulumela kuso. Lo mfanekiso uqoshwe eSwatini lapho inkonyama ikhona.
I really to come and just make sure that I briefed His Majesty with the problems, the floods, and your boys already went, and there were reports of very serious damage caused by the storm. And so I think the global warming is real, and perhaps as a royal family, we do need to take a stand and develop a policy or a position on this global warming situation, because we continuously see nalezi inkinga zalama floods as a result of lama global warming. You know, school. But that's not all, Silo. Arrangement of burial of Induna, they seem to be going well as planned. And so I lament with Your Majesty for the loss of Induna Kokaba. And Silo, it's very painful what has happened. And what is even more painful, Silo, there's been malicious reports really on His Majesty's image now. People claiming that His Majesty is sick, is admitted in some hospital in Eswatini. And we have tried to make an effort to clarify that His Majesty is not in any hospital, but he had come to see his uncle to discuss even this further investment, you know, the pipeline, Your Majesty, in your kingdom in Swaziland. I don't know, it's soon up. These are all the matters that I know we've been concerned about, because you are concerned about the jobs of the Zulus and taking advantage of the Eswatini and the Zulu kingdom to create more jobs. And I tried to explain that that's the agenda that has been on your mind. So there was a statement by the Prime Minister, His Royal Highness Prince Magoso Telezi, your grandfather, where he has reported, he felt duty bound to report to the nation that